You're busy, no time to cook? 1 minute egg sandwich in the microwave. It's good. Hello everybody, my name is Naida and welcome to my channel. Today I will be cooking 1 minute egg sandwich in the microwave. Now if you are a vegan, you can use a plant-based egg. Okay, I have 1 egg, a pinch of salt and black pepper, and mix it up. And I'm going to microwave this for 1 minute. Put this in the microwave. Put the top. 1 minute. 1 minute is done. So we're gonna check our egg. This is our 1 minute egg. I have bread over here, so if you, once again, if you are a vegan, you can use plant-based mayonnaise and plant-based cheese, okay? Here you go. 1 minute egg sandwich. So here it is, 1 minute egg sandwich in the microwave. I hope you like this video, guys. So I like to cut my sandwich in half. So this is how I make my 1 minute egg sandwich in the microwave. Let's do my favorite part. Let's eat. Mm. One minute in the microwave. If you're busy, this is good. If you don't have no time to be cooking all the time, like 1 minute in the microwave. Mmm. Mmm. I hope you learned something in this video. Thank you for watching. I love you guys.